Hello everyone, good morning. This is me, Manya Gupta, your tech host. Bulletin of the day starts with GPT-5, which is set to launch this summer. Amazon to invest $233 million in India to expand the tech infrastructure. Foxconn to set up new iPhone enclosure unit in Tamil Nadu. Nothing Phone 3 will offer 7 years of software updates. Then about Apple, which plans to use AI future chips. Honda-backed Helm.ai unveils vision system for self-driving. And finally about EU, which probes Musk X after XKI acquisition. So in yesterday's quiz, we asked you which is the Samsung AI assistant which competes with Siri, and the answer is Bixby. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. Which Indian company launched Bharat GPT? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Let us begin with the news section. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has officially confirmed that GPT-5, which is the next evolution of company's generative AI models, is set for release later this summer. This revelation came during a keynote event where Altman laid out OpenAI's ambitious roadmap for 2025 and beyond. Its reasoning abilities are also said to be significantly improved with a sharper focus on context retention and long-term memory. GPT-5 will power the next generation of ChatGPT and could also form the basis of new OpenAI enterprise tools, APIs, and developer platforms. Notably, OpenAI is reportedly working on more powerful fine-tuning options and tools which allow users to customize model behavior more deeply than ever before. Announcements has generated immense excitement within the tech world, especially given the impact of GPT-4, which revolutionized the writing, coding, customer support, and even education. So GPT-5 could further disrupt industries and accelerate AI integration across sectors. Now moving on, Amazon has announced a new investment of $233 million, which is approximately 1950 crores in India, aimed at expanding its logistics, data center infrastructure, and e-commerce technology stack. This comes as a part of its long-term strategy to deepen the presence in one of the world's fastest-growing digital economies, that is India. So the funds will be directed towards improving warehouse automation, scaling Amazon Web Services, cloud service, and enhancing the tech that power its seller ecosystem. Investment also includes setting up more last-mile delivery hubs to improve the customer experience in Tier 2, Tier 3 cities. Amazon India's VP, that is Vice President Manish Tiwari, said that this move could accelerate the digital inclusion, empower the local MSME, and create thousands of skilled jobs across logistics and IT sector. This comes shortly after Amazon pledged to digitize 1 crore small business, export $20 billion in Make in India products by 2025. So this is also a key role in shaping India's digital infrastructure, especially as cloud adoption and AI-led logistics gain traction in this country. Now moving on, Taiwanese manufacturing giant Foxconn, it has set to establish a new unit in Tamil Nadu, India, dedicated to producing iPhone enclosures. The move is a part of Apple's broader China Plus One strategy to diversify the manufacturing footprint and global geopolitical tensions and supply chain disruptions. New facility will be located in Kanchipuram district, an already established electronic hub, and is expected to generate over 6,000 jobs in its initial phase. Foxconn's investment will further boost India's position as a key player in global electronics manufacturing, particularly in premium smartphone components. This is not Foxconn's first investment in India. It already operates several plants in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh for assembling the iPhones and other Apple products. However, this enclosure unit represents an important shift towards localized component manufacturing, not just the final assembly. So as Apple aims to manufacture 25% of its global iPhone output in India by 2027, Foxconn's expansion marks a critical step in reshaping the global electronics supply chain and solidifying India's role at its center. Moving on, Nothing, the tech company founded by Carl P, has made a bold commitment. Its upcoming flagship device, Phone 3, will receive 7 years of software support. This includes both major Android version updates and regular security patches, matching Apple's industry-leading update policy. Scheduled for launch later this year, the Phone 3 will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, a mid-flagship processor known for energy efficiency and AI optimization. With this extended update cycle, Nothing aims to tackle two pressing concerns in the Android ecosystem. 1. The rapid obsolescence, and 2. Poor long-term user experience. In a statement, Carl P said that tech longevity is no longer optional, it's essential. This move is being hailed as a step towards sustainable tech, reducing e-waste, giving users better return on investment. It also adds pressure on Android giants like Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus to rethink their software policies. So with 7 years of support, Phone 3 may become the go-to device for users who value both innovation and durability. Well, something about Apple again, which is preparing to harness the power of artificial intelligence not just in user-facing features, but at the core of its hardware design process. In a recent interview, Apple's Senior Vice President of Hardware Technologies, Johnny Strugi, confirmed that the company is already using AI to help design its next generation of Apple silicon chips. AI will be used to automate and optimize key aspects of chip development, such as logic architecture, circuit layout, thermal management, energy efficiency. This marks a significant shift from traditional design workflows, promising faster development cycles, more powerful chips, and better battery management. Apple has already demonstrated its commitment to custom silicon with its M series, A series chips, powering Macs and iPhones respectively. So by integrating AI into the design process, company is aiming to push performance per watt even further, ensuring that the chips stay competitive against rivals like Qualcomm, Intel, and AMD. So the announcement also highlights Apple's broader focus on vertical integration, controlling not just hardware software but the very architecture beneath it. So while Strugi didn't detail when this AI design chips would debut, sources indicate the transition is already underway for the future M series, which is expected to be released in 2026. Helm.ai, a California-based autonomous driving startup backed by Honda, has introduced the new Vision platform, an AI-first camera-based driver assistance systems that could redefine how we view autonomous vehicles. Company claims that this technology will be capable of hands-free eyes of autonomous driving using only cameras, eliminating the need for expensive sensors like LiDAR and radar. Stated for integration in Honda's upcoming Zero EV series by 2026, Helm.ai's Vision uses 4 foundation models trained on camera data to produce a 360-degree understanding of vehicles' environment. This shift towards vision-only autonomy is seen as a potential game changer in reducing cost and simplifying the large-scale deployment for car manufacturers. Company's system works seamlessly with leading hardware platforms like Qualcomm and Nvidia, making it highly adaptable for OEMs. It also comes with a tool set for simulation, testing, and validation, including the GenSim 2 simulator based on Carla. This has already raised over $100 million in funding from investors like Goodyear Ventures, Sangwoo High-Tech, and Amplo. By betting on a vision-first future, it is aiming to bring level 2 to 4 autonomous driving capabilities to mass-market vehicles without hefty hardware price tag. Last but not the least, the European Commission has launched a formal investigation into Elon Musk's platform X, formerly Twitter, following the acquisition of Musk's AI company XAI. The probe, announced under the EU's Digital Service Act, aims to assess the corporate restructuring's impact on transparency, misinformation, control, and user safety. At the heart of the probe is the concern over deceptive design practices, particularly the monetized blue check system, which regulators claim may mislead users into thinking accounts which are verified or endorsed. The EU is also investigating whether changes to X corporate structure undermine the ability to comply with European digital law. X has been under scrutiny since Musk took it over in 2022. So after rebranding and laying off the content moderation teams, the platform faced criticism for rising hate speech and a drop in trustworthiness. The DSA, which targets very large online platforms, mandates the transparency, rapid misinformation response, and responsible algorithm practices. The Commission may levy fines of up to 6% of the global turnover and in extreme cases could suspend X operation in the EU. Final ruling is expected to be in late 2025, but regulators warn that this further enforcement actions may follow depending on X cooperation and investigation's outcome. Well, this was all for today's bulletin. I'll again meet you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe IT Voice for all your tech updates.